Just a quick little video today to show you how to apply these plastic press studs to anything that you've made. So in this case I've made some bibs and I'll just show you how it's done. So in the packet that you buy, I've got an assortment here that I've had for quite a while. You will get the cap piece. They look like this. Then you get a male side there that looks like this, and the female side that looks like this. So to make your press stud like this, you will need two caps that will go, in this case, against the outside, in quotes, of the thing that you're joining, and one male and one female. So the way to put them together is to get your thing that you want to have the join on. In my case it's a baby's bib, and so you will be having your cap there because that's the outermost side, and you'll be having your cap for the other side here. So we put them together. So first of all, if you make a hole, some of the kits do come with something like this to make a hole, and this is just a sewing stiletto point, or you could use an awl or something like that. So just make the hole where you want it to be, and one in the other side like that, and then place the cap on the outside here and poke the point through, and then you're going to get one of your pieces, it doesn't matter which, in this case it's the male, and you're going to place that like that. Whoops. Like that. And then you get your tool, and this white cup bit here goes over the cap, and the other side goes over the other part of the snap, and squeeze it together. You need to put quite a bit of pressure on, but don't overdo it. And what that does is it compresses the point part of the cap that you put through the hole, compresses it flat to join the two halves together. So now you want your other side, and in this case the bib is going to be going like this. So our cap side will be going here. So we're going to put that through the hole like that. And then get the other side. So in this case that's the female. And then that goes this way up on the cap like that. Get your tool again, and so the white, that goes over the cap like that, so it can't move. That closes on there. Squeeze those together. Make sure that the point has been squashed flat. I don't think I did it enough there. And then test it. That's okay. So this next one, I think I might do a yellow one. So we need 1 cap, 2 caps, 1 female bit, 1 male bit. Get the stiletto, make a hole. So it's going to be going like this. So our cap needs to go there. And our other part is going there. And then test those. So I hope that's helped.